That plan to close 10 Denver elementary schools has met harsh criticism in neighborhoods all over town. The district is accused of ignoring housing projects now being built that will bring in hundreds of new students. That includes the area around Colfax Elementary at Colfax and Tennyson on the west side of town near Sloan's Lake. It's also a school that serves many children who are homeless. Marissa Adamas covers the most important issues in Denver for us. Marissa, even some school board members are now pushing back against the plan.
Yeah, Jim, that pushback coming from all sides. Just about an hour ago, the board meeting here at DPS headquarters just wrapped up, and several of those board members said they can't support the current plan as it is. Some even saying they don't believe the community's input is being taken seriously, and parents we spoke to agree.
Just over a week since DPS announced its plans to close 10 schools across the district, parents are rallying.
Last time it was because of test scores. This time it's because of declining enrollment. Either way, our communities of color have been the victims of this continued violence.
One of the schools on the list to close, Colfax Elementary. Parents say the data the district is using to determine low enrollment isn't reflective of the students the school serves.
While we have a certain number on October 1st, that's not representative of the kids that are coming in and out of our school all year long.
Colfax Elementary is known to serve students experiencing homelessness. Just a few blocks away from the school is a short-term shelter, and the children staying there often enroll at the school for a short period of time.
That is my number one primary concern, is what's going to happen to those kids and how are their needs going to be met. It's a really unique population.
And with more affordable housing being built in the area, like the redevelopment of the Westridge homes, Denver Housing Authority anticipates a population increase. DHA says with 619 units being built, they expect between 600 to 1,100 residents under the age of 18 to move in. And of those residents, about 250 to 450 will be elementary age students.
They're always talking about equity and kids first, and this feels opposite. The schools that are closing are filled with our Latino and Black populations, our low-income students.
On Thursday, multiple DPS board members spoke out on the potential closures. Scott Esserman saying he feels the community was absent when the closures list was being discussed.
This feels like to our faculties, to our students, to our parents, to our community members, as if we've made these decisions. And this slide says we have.
Now, we did reach out to the district about those concerns at Colfax Elementary, and a spokesperson told us that these decisions are based on multiple factors, not just enrollment. The next step in this process is for the Board of Education to take a vote on these recommendations on November 17th. Reporting in Denver, Marissa Adamas, covering Colorado First.